Just weeks after Helene hit, evictions have resumed.
And that has put many residents in a tough spot. News 13's Madison Smith talks with an attorney about renters' rights in this morning's Ask 13.
Landlord and tenant rights are already a hot topic here in Western North Carolina. That topic becoming more heated after the destruction of Helene, which has a News 13 viewer asking, is it legal for my apartment to be charging me a full amount of rent when I can't even take a clean shower? With so many people losing their belongings, power, and water, many residents were hoping for a break in rent from the governor. That, as of now, has not happened. Due to this, many landlords have been charging full amounts on rent, even with tenants who do not have power and water, in some cases for over a month. What are their rights as a landlord, and what are your rights as a tenant?
The landlord has a duty to make repairs. The landlord has an unwaivable duty to have potable water and utilities, and the tenant has a duty to pay rent. And the fact that a natural disaster has changed things practically for so many of us does not change how the law will operate.
Potable water and utilities, two things many were without. Those are two things that a place must have to be considered habitable and fulfill the exchange of money for a livable space or a rent agreement. But as a tenant, you cannot just refuse to pay rent until the issue is resolved. Evictions are still proceeding. If a landlord follows proper procedure, you can be evicted. However, you could sue and take your own legal action in certain circumstances.
The landlord could sue for non-payment of rent and potentially win back possession of the place. At the same time, the tenant could countersue for rent abatement, for the breach of the lease on behalf of the landlord for not providing a habitable premises, no potable water, and some weeks without utilities. And so they could recover money.
If you are in need of legal consultation or are seeking legal action, you can look for a specialized law office or go to Pisgah Legal Services to seek help. It has also been announced that Buncombe County will be giving out rent assistance grants for those who qualify. And if you have a Helene-related question for us, email us at ask13@WLOS.com.